Hi, I want to just do a short recording and show some of the usability of our Firehouse software. Specifically, I want to show how to look up a couple different ways to look up older incidents. The most popular is using the journal button here, which would bring up essentially a calendar view of all the incidents. However, there is an easier way to do some of this depending on what it is you're doing. If you click the incident button, or it could be training or activity, whatever it is you're specifically looking for, it would bring up a new window a lot like this. At the bottom of all these is a button labeled Browse. Click on that. In this case, it loads the default one, which is queries for the last 30 days. It'll take just a second to load that. And what this is, as you can see, there's the Browse menu. It's a list of all these. Now, if I double-click any of these, it's actually going to open the incident. So let me show you something we're working on right now. A trick, or something that a lot of people aren't aware of, is you can click this and you can go to a different query. So if you're looking for something beyond 30 days ago, you can use this one here, which is the same thing, but it's 365 days. Just takes a little longer to load. So this one is hardwired to the last fiscal year. I'm going to use that. So it's now re-querying the incidents for everything within that fiscal year. And in this case, it brings up a dialog box. Let's say we were just looking for structure fires. I'm going to use the in list of, and there's a whole bunch of other things, but I'm going to use in list of values, click that, and then I'm going to put, for the incident types, a 111, a 1111, and then an 1112, which are some of the codes we use for structure fire, or structure fire house, or structure fire apartment. I could also do other things. I could specify by unit and things like that, or the shift it was on if I wanted to. Hit run query, and it's going to look in the last fiscal years for all those incidents that meet those incident types. And in this case, we've got 12 records listed here. Any one of these, if I wanted further information on it, I can double click one of these. This is a little slow because it's using the Citrix instead of having a direct line to the database. And it brings up that actual incident itself, and then we can do anything we want, look at this, read the narrative, or anything like that. Anyway, that's it for now. I just wanted to give a short video on how some different ways of looking at finding incidents